Welcome, I am your host Luca, and today we're going to do what to do with leftover pasta part 2. That's right, leftover pasta part 2. Our last video I showed you guys what to do with long pasta that you got left over. Today we're going to go with short pasta. Beautiful, delicious, fantastic. If you don't just want to toss it in your microwave and heat it up, this is your alternative for your short pasta. It's delicious, it's beautiful. So if you're excited, keep on watching. This is Cooking at Home with Luca. All right, so we got our leftover pasta, showing you on the other camera there, our leftover pasta. I've gone ahead and what we're gonna use for this dish is some cured salami, hard-boiled eggs, meatballs, homemade meatballs, which if you want to know how to make them, I got a meatball sub video. Check it out. It'll show you how to make these meatballs. These are scaled down opposed to the meatball video, but same recipe. So if you want to know how to make these homemade delicious meatballs, check out my meatball sub video. And then we got some shredded mozz. Got our baking dish. We got some parchment paper. So we're gonna start lining up this dish with your leftover pasta. So this is how we do it. Let's get rocking. All right, we line our baking dish with parchment paper. We'll start throwing out some of our leftover pasta in there. Beautiful. Got the pasta in there, one layer. Start with our mozz. Mozz goes on next. Nice healthy amount of mozzarella. Ba-da-da-da-da. It's beautiful. It's fantastic. Got our mozz going down. Next, we're gonna throw in some meatballs. Some beautiful meatballs. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a 6, and a 7, and a 8. Throwing them down. Beautiful, fantastic. Got our meatballs. Sprinkle a little more mozz on top, a little bit more mozzarellas. We got our cured salami. Now let me know if you guys want me to show it. This is store-bought. You can find it at any local grocery store. But let me know if you want me to make a video on how to make it from scratch at home. Sausage, cured salami, beautiful. Let me know. Throw that down. Then we got our hard-boiled eggs, which is pretty straightforward. You boil them for about 10 minutes. Beautiful, fantastic. Next, we're gonna throw in more pasta. And we can keep going. Mozzarella. Ba-da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da. Throw in more meatballs. Beautiful meatballs. Got our salams. Trying our boiled eggs again, hard-boiled eggs. And we'll finish off the rest of our mozz. Our next thing and final step is we're gonna cover with some parch. Some tin foil. And then we're gonna bake it at 400 for about 40 minutes. The last 10, uncover, take the tin foil off so that cheese melts down and it's beautiful and it's fantastic and it's delicious. So if you wanna see the end result of this beautiful what to do with leftover pasta part 2, keep on watching. There you go, another great dish that you can make with your leftover pasta part 2, short pasta. It's delicious, it's fantastic. I'm Mr. Fantastic, also known as Luca. This is Cooking at Home with Luca. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you get alerted when I upload new and amazing recipes just like this one. Till next time, tutta tavola a mangiare. Ciao!